In this video, we will guide you through how to use Cursor AI with Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now before we start, Cursor is basically an AI-powered code editor similar to VS Code, but it comes in built in with AI models like ChatGPT and Claude. This makes it really useful for Roblox developer because you can generate script, fix error and build system faster without constantly switching between tools. To begin, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and then just go ahead and search for cursor.com and hit enter. After that, you can just go ahead and click on download at the top right and then click on download for Windows. And it is also available for Mac OS and Linux also. So I'll just wait for the download to complete. And once done, just go ahead and click on the exe file to start your setup wizard. After that, your setup wizard will appear. Just go ahead and click on I accept the agreement and click on next. And then select your directory. I'll just click on browse and then here select your folder. So let's say I want to go with local disk D. So I'll just go ahead and select my local disk D and select my folder and click on OK. After that, you can just go ahead and click on next, and click on next. After that, just go ahead and click on install and just wait for the installation to complete. After your installation is complete, just go ahead and click on finish and make sure to toggle on launch cursor and then click on finish. And now your cursor should launch automatically. Just wait for it to load. And after that, you can log in or sign in with your account. So just go ahead and do that. And once that the cursor is open, just go ahead and go to your Roblox Studio. Now go to the AI Assistant tab at the top right and just go ahead and click on it. And then once you click on it, you will see the Assistant tab will appear. So just go ahead and click on the three dot and then click on Manage MCP Servers. Now here, make sure Enable Studio as MCP Server is toggled on, and then just go ahead and click on the Expand button for Setup Instruction and then copy the JSON configuration by just clicking on this clipboard icon and it will be successfully copied. Now go back to your cursor and then at the top right you will see a small gear icon. Just go ahead and click on that, and then at the left hand side you will see Tools and MCP. Just go ahead and click on that and click on Add Custom MCP. After that, delete the pre-existing code by just highlighting and press backspace key on a keyboard and press Ctrl V to paste the JSON configuration file that we copied earlier. And now just go ahead and press Ctrl and S key on a keyboard, or you can also go to the file at the top left and click on Save. And once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and close this tab. Now just close the cursor settings and now just click on New Project and then go to the folder where you have a project. So in my case, I'm going to make a new folder and name it something like Cursor and hit enter. Make sure to go inside the folder and click on Create Project here. After that, just go ahead and type something like, can you connect to Roblox Studio with MCP and hit enter. After that, just go ahead and click on continue if prompted. And if you see these options, just go ahead and click on allow list. And then if it gives this instruction, just go ahead and ask for, are you connected to Roblox Studio? Click on allow all if prompted. Click on allow list MCP tools. And now as you can see, it is saying, yes, I'm connected to Roblox Studio. Now let's go to Roblox Studio, and now it is saying one client connected, which means the connection was successful. To test it, you can open Cursor and type a simple command like asking it to create a part or modify something in your game. If everything is working correctly, you will see the changes reflected in Roblox Studio, confirming the connection is active. Now, the real power of Cursor starts here. Instead of writing script manually, you can just describe what you want in plain English. For example, you can ask it to create a script that spawns a part every few seconds in the workspace. So I'll just type create a script that spawns a part every few seconds in the workspace and hit enter. And it will generate the full Lua code for you automatically. Click on allow MCP tools if prompted, and then go to server script service. So I'll just go ahead and go to server script service. You'll see a script has been successfully added. So let's go ahead and preview it. And as you can see, the script is here. So I'll just go ahead and run it. And now as you can see, the script is working perfectly. You can also ask for gameplay features like kill a brick, a checkpoint system, or UI elements, and Cursor will generate a script that you can directly use or modify inside of Roblox Studio. This makes development much faster, especially for beginners who are still learning Lua. The best way to use Cursor is to combine both AI generation and your own testing. You describe what you want, let the cursor generate the script and then test it inside of Roblox Studio. If something breaks, you can simply ask Cursor to fix it. And that's it. That's how you use Cursor AI with Roblox Studio.